PowerPoint 2010 is a visual and graphical application primarily used for creating presentations. With PowerPoint, you can create, view, and present slideshows that combine text, shapes, pictures, graphs, animation, charts, videos, and much more. Let's have a look at some tips for creating an effective presentation. To maintain a clear message and to keep your audience attentive and interested, keep the number of slides in your presentation to a minimum. Choosing the best font size helps communicate your message. Remember that the audience must be able to read your slides from a distance. Generally speaking, a font size smaller than 30 might be too difficult for the audience to see. Keep your slide text simple. Use bullets or short sentences. Use visuals to help express your message. Pictures, charts, graphs, and smart art graphics provide visual cues for your audience to remember. Make labels for charts and graphs understandable. Choose an appealing, consistent theme that is not too eye-catching. To earn and maintain the respect of your audience, always check the spelling and grammar in your presentation. When you open PowerPoint 2010, you will see one blank slide. On the left hand side, you will see the thumb view of the slide. Let's see how to insert a new slide into your presentation. This is the New Slide button. Click the arrow below New Slide. Select the slide layout that you want. For example, let's select Title and Content Layout. Select the Title and Content item. The slide has been inserted. Now let's see how to add text to a text placeholder on a slide. Click anywhere inside the placeholder and then type or paste text. This way you can type text to the placeholders. Now let's see how you can change the direction of the text. You can change the orientation of the text to vertical, stacked, or rotate it to the desired direction. Select Text Direction. As you place the mouse on the available options, you can see the changes and select the text direction of your choice. Now let's see how to align text. Select Align Text. For example, let's select the middle menu item. You can see that the text has been aligned to the center of the placeholder. Now let's see how to convert text to smart art graphic so that you can visually communicate information. This is the Smart Art Graphic button. Click on the Smart Art Graphic button. Select the graphics option of your choice. For example, let's select the Basic Matrix option. Select the Basic Matrix item. When you select the graphics, you will see that a Smart Art Tools tab is shown. This is the Design tab in the Smart Art Tools tab. Here you will find more options to make the graphic more presentable. Let's see how to add text to the other sections of the Smart Art graphic. Select the section where you want to add text. Select the section. Click on the Text Pane button. The Type Your Text Here window opens. Click in the text box. To go to the next line, press Enter key. Type the text and then close the box. Click the Close button. You can also change the color of the Smart Art graphic. This is the Change Colors button in the Design tab. Select the Change Colors button. Select the Colorful item. The colorful style has been applied. you can further apply quick styles to this graphic. This is the Smart Art Styles group. Select Quick Styles. Let's select the cartoon item. This way you can apply styles to your text. This is the Format tab in the Smart Art Tools tab. This is the Format tab. Here you can change the shapes of the Smart Art graphics, change the sizes, and apply word art styles to them. Let's change the shape of the graphic. Click the Change Shape button. Select the graphic shape that you want to change and then select the shape. Select the oval item. You will see that the shape has been changed. Now let's see how to increase or decrease the size of the shapes. Click the larger button to increase the size of the shape. Click the smaller button to decrease the size of the shape. You can apply word art styles and align the text as we did it in Word. Try more options to create a more effective presentation. Now let's learn how to insert pictures to the presentation. Select the Insert tab. Click the Picture button. The Insert Picture window opens. Double-click the jellyfish picture. The picture has been inserted. Now let's learn how to delete, crop some part of the picture. Select Crop. On selection of crop, you will see sizing handles on the picture. Using the handles, you can delete the unwanted parts of the picture. After deleting the unwanted parts of the picture, now let's learn how to remove the background color of the picture. Select the picture whose background is to be removed. Select the Format tab in the Picture Tools tab. Click the Remove Background button. You will see a box with sizing handles. Select the area which you want to keep using the sizing handles. Click the Keep Changes button. You can see how the background of the picture has been removed. When we add more than one picture, they may get overlapped. Now let's learn how to place the pictures in front or back of the other picture. Let's add one more picture to the presentation. Select the Insert tab. Click the Picture button. The Insert Picture window opens. Double-click the desert item. You can see that the old picture cannot be seen as the new picture has been added above it. Now let's bring the first picture in front of this picture so that we can view it. Click the Selection Pane button. Click the picture label of the first picture. Select Bring Forward. You can see how the first picture has come in front of the second picture. Now let's see how to send the picture backward so that we can see the text on the slide which has been covered by the inserted picture. Select the Format tab. Click the arrow next to Send Backward button. Select the Send to Back menu item. You can see how the text has come in front of the picture. Now let's learn how to improve the brightness, contrast or sharpness of the picture. Select Corrections. You can select from the available option. Now let's see how to change color of the picture. Select Color. Select the color of your choice. The color has been applied to the picture. Now let's learn how to add artistic effects to the picture. Artistic effects are added to the picture to make it look more like a sketch or painting. Click on the Artistic Effects button. You can select the effect from the available options. This way you can use pictures to make your presentation very much effective. Now let's learn how to add animations to the presentation. Select the Animations tab. This is the animation group in the Animations tab. Select the placeholder to which you want to add animation. Select Add Animation. Select the wheel item, for example. You can change the effect of the applied animation. Select Effect Options. As you move the mouse to the available options, you can view the animation. This is the trigger button. You can set the animation to start after you click a shape or when you play some media file. Select Trigger. Select the On Click Off menu item. You can select from the options where you want to start the animation. Select the wildlife.wmv menu item, for example. You can also change the timing and preview the animations. Now let's learn how to add themes and background to your presentation. Select the Design tab. This is the Themes group in the Design tab. Select Themes. Select the Waveform item. The theme has been applied. This is the Background group in the Design tab. Select Background Styles. Select the Style 10 item. The background has been applied. This is the Page Setup group in the Design tab. Now let's change the slide orientation from Landscape to Portrait. Select Slide Orientation. Select the Portrait item. This way you can add theme and backgrounds to your presentation and change the page orientation. Now let's see how to add transitions to the presentation. Select the Transitions tab. This is the transition to this slide group. Select Transition Scheme. Select the Ripple item, for example. You can change the transition effects. Select Effect Options. You can select the effect to take place as per the available options. Select the From Top Left menu item. Click the Preview button to view the transition. This is the Timing group in the Transition tab. You can change the timings and add sound to the transitions. This way you can add transitions to your presentation. Now let's learn how to copy a slide and rearrange them. Select the thumbnail of the slide that you want to copy. Select Copy to copy the selected slide. Select Paste to paste the copied slide. The slide has been copied. Now let's rearrange the order of the slides. Select the slide whose order is to be changed. Using the mouse, drag the slide to the required location and drop it. This way you can rearrange the order of the slides. Now let's see how to delete a slide. Select thumbnails of the slides that you want to delete. Press Delete key. The slide has been deleted. Now let's learn how to create a slide master. A slide master is the slide which stores information about the theme and slide layouts of a presentation, including the background, color, fonts, effects, placeholder sizes, and positioning. Click on the View tab. Click the Slide Master button. It is a good idea to create a slide master before you start to build individual slides. When you create the slide master first, all of the slides that you add to your presentation are based on that slide master and the associated layouts. This is the slide master, which is larger in size. These are the associated layouts, which are smaller in size. Select Master Thumbnails. You can remove unwanted placeholders from a layout. Select border of the placeholder. Press Delete key. Now let's insert a picture in our slide master. Select the Insert tab. Click the Picture button. The Insert Picture window opens. Double-click the Clidon logo item. The logo has been inserted. Now let's add theme to the slide master. Select the Slide Master tab. Select Themes. Select the Waveform item. The theme has been applied. Now let's add background to the slide. Select Background. Select Background Styles. Select the Style 10 item. The background has been added. Now close Master View. Click the Close button. You will return to the home page. Now you can add slide as per your requirement. Select New Slide. Select the slide layout as per your requirement. Select the title only item, for example. The slide has been inserted. You can add text as per your requirement. This way you can save time because you don't have to type the same information on more than one slide. The slide master comes in handy when you have extremely long presentations with lots of slides. You can use Insert tab to add tables, pictures, clip arts, shapes, headers and footers in the same way as we did it in Word 2010. Let's see how to insert video and audio in the presentation. This is the media group from where you can add video and audio. Select Video button to add video. You can add video from file or from the internet. Select the Video from File menu item. The Insert Video window opens. Double-click the video you want to add. The video has been inserted. When video is selected, Video Tools tab opens, having Format and Playback tabs. This is the Format tab in the Video Tools. You can use the Format tab to preview, change video shapes, styles and resize the video. You can resize the display area as per your requirement. This is the Preview button to view the inserted video. Let's change the shape of the video. Select the Shapes button in the Video Styles group. Select the oval item for example. You can drag the video and place it where you want it to be in the presentation. Now let's change the video effects. Select the Video Effects button. Select the Soft Edges option. You can select the option you want. Select the 25-point item. This is the Playback tab in the Video Tools tab. This is the Playback tab in the Video Tools. You can use the Playback tab to preview, trim the video, change the volume and other viewing options. This is the Volume button. You can choose from the available options. You can choose to play the video clip automatically or when clicked. Click the Open button. You can choose from the available options. This is the Trim Video button. You can trim the video clip by specifying the start and end times. Click the Trim Video button. The Trim Video window opens. You can enter the start time and the end time or drag the handles to trim the video. On trimming, click the OK button. Click the Play or Pause button to view the video. Now let's see how to add audio to the presentation. Select the Insert tab. Select Audio. Select the Audio from File menu item. The Insert Audio window opens. Double-click the audio file. When you select the audio file, Audio Tools tab opens. Select the Playback tab. This is the Playback tab in the Audio Tools. You can use the Playback tab to preview, trim the audio, change the volume and other audio options. Select the Hide During Show checkbox if you don't want to display the volume icon during the slideshow. By adding video and audio to your presentation, you can make your presentation very effective. Now let's learn how to set up slideshow. Select the Slideshow tab. Now let's learn how to record the slideshow so that you can play it during your presentation. Select Start Recording from Beginning from the Setup group. The Record Slideshow window opens. Click the Start Recording button. The recording of the slideshow starts. The timing of display of each slide is shown. As you click, the slideshow moves forward to the next slide. Decide the timing of each slide and complete the slideshow. Click to move to the next slide. 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 After recording, this window appears. Now let's see the presentation we recorded from beginning. Click the From Beginning button in the Start Slideshow group. This way you can set up the slideshow for presentation. Now let's learn how to save and share your presentation. Click the File tab button. Select the Save and Send tab. Select the Send using Email tab. Using this option, you can attach a copy of your presentation to an email, create an email that contains a link to your presentation, attach a PDF copy of your presentation to an email, attach a XPS copy of your presentation to an email, or send as internet fax. Select the Save to Web tab. Using this option, you can save the presentation to web so that you can access it from any computer or share with other people. Select the Create a Video tab. Using this option, you can save the presentation in video format, which can be distributed using a disk, web, or email. Select the Package Presentation for CD tab. Using this option, you can create a package so that other people can watch the presentation on most computers. This way you can save and share your presentation. Now that you have learned Microsoft PowerPoint 2010, practice it to master it.